Hey everyone, it's Jim from Maple Tapper. It's late January out here in Illinois, and we are in the midst of what they call a polar vortex. It's about 20 below zero, like 50 below wind chill. It's really cold, but next week it's supposed to be in the 50s. So crazy weather. Anyway, we have had a lot of people writing us, emailing us, calling us about maple tapping season, so I thought I'd do a quick video just to say hello and get you guys kind of tuned in for maple season, which is coming. So anyway, a friend of mine called me and said, "You guys do that maple tapping thing, don't you?" And I said, "Yes, we do." He said, "I have a tree in my front yard, which I think might be a maple tree." So I went over to his house, and here I am right now. And what he has, I believe, is a silver maple. So there are a lot of different types of maple trees. Hard maples or rock maples or sugar maples are probably the preferred ones to tap. They are really sweet. The sap that comes out is really sweet and is ideal for making maple syrup. However, you can tap a soft maple, which is what we have behind us. This giant, beautiful tree behind us is a silver maple tree. And this thing is a beast. So in order to have a tree that's the right size to tap, it has to be 12 inches wide. This tree is easily, geez, I don't even know how many, 3 feet wide. So you can put one tap in a 12-inch tree. This tree could probably take up to 6 taps. In fact, each of those arms that's coming out, a nice tap would go beneath those because that's coming up right from the root system. So it'd be a good spot to put it. Now, would I put 6 taps in the tree? Sure, but maybe not in my friend's yard. He wants to get some maple sap, but not gallons and gallons and gallons. So anyway, when we're out looking for a tree, the best place to look is in your own yard. You can have access to it whenever you want. You can tap it whenever you want. You can go collect the sap whenever you want. It's really easy, and that's the best place to start. So look around your yard. See if you have a maple tree, and if you do, we're going to run through some very detailed but easy explanations in video about how to tap a maple tree coming up in the next few weeks. We'll have how to find a tree, how to tap the tree, what to do with the syrup, what to look for, history of tapping, how to boil the sap into syrup, what you can do with that syrup when you're done. It's going to be a really great series of videos, which will be super easy to follow. So if you've never tapped a tree, or you want to tap a tree but haven't for a long time, you can watch these videos and it'll really get you going. So anyway, we'll be back with more. Please like this page. If you're interested in maple tapping, you can always visit our website, mapletapper.com. We've got a lot of great information on there, as well as great products. Really easy, get you started. If you have any questions, please contact us. If you have any questions immediately, please just reply on this Facebook Live and you can have us answer the questions right now. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll be in touch when maple season is here. See you later.